Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn daily use short sentences. So let's get start the video. What is that? वो क्या है? What is that? Who said? किसने कहा? Who said? Of course not. बिल्कुल नहीं. Of course not. While ago. कुछ समय पहले. While ago. Once a while. कभी कभार. Once a while. In a little while. थोड़े समय में. In a little while. At most. ज्यादा से ज्यादा. At most. For a little while. कुछ समय के लिए. For a little while. How that. वो कैसे. How that. Don't worry. परेशान मत हो. Don't worry. About what. किस बारे में. About what. In what way. किस तरह से. In what way. In a while. थोड़ी देर में. In a while. Don't be late. देर मत करो. Don't be late. What is the plan? What is the plan? क्या करना है? Where to go? कहाँ जाना है? Where to go? I can. मैं कर सकता हूँ. I can. Speak up. बोलो. Speak up. Don't ask. मत पूछो. Don't ask. Who knows? कौन जाने. Who knows? It's your turn now. अब तुम्हारी बारी है. It's your turn now. Show me another. एक और देखो. Show me another. Show me that. वो दिखाना मुझे. Show me that. Show something else. कुछ और देखो. Show something else. Show your talent. अपना हुनर दिखाओ. Show your talent. This is wrong. यह गलत है. This is wrong. What's up? क्या चल रहा है. What's up? Don't get up. उठना मत. Don't get up. Don't follow me. मेरा पीछा मत करो. Don't follow me.